What's up? This is your boy Sean, and today it's a little gloomy. It isn't pouring down, but we're gonna get these traction jacks. We're gonna get these installed on Project Doomsday today. Went down to the hardware store, pick up some hardware, and yeah, stay tuned. First, we're gonna start with this pin and mark the back of these holes on here so I can make the holes, drill holes through here. Okay, so what I have here is 3/8 at 3.5 inches long with washer, and then these little threaded guys, the nylon threaded washers to lock these in. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is drill a 3/8 hole right here in this traction jack. Went ahead and marked the spot earlier. Go ahead and test fit it. Alright, so now it's just a tad bit tight, so I'm just going to move it up a little bit. Go test fit it. Alright, so we're going to drill this pilot hole for the other side. Funfetti! Back this out. On this other one, tighten it up, and Yahtzee! And I'll go test fit it. Be right back. You know, lined with the bolts and whatnot. I'm going to use this as a pilot hole and just kind of mark my spots. So I can transfer over. Switch this out. Okay, so now we're going to take these little ends and mount everything down. Okay, so put those through. Other side, it's mounted. So, bam, just like that. Yep, so I have another 2 bolts and everything. I had to order another one of these from the hardware store, so I have a total of 4 to lock this whole thing down. I'll probably take another lock of some sorts and thread through and run it through to secure it more to the CBI off-road bed rack.
A bumper sticker, how I feel, read it in traffic. Honk your horn and flip a bird, then you might get your ass. The whole world's going soft, that's why I stay having calluses. I am from where the racket is, I'm a honky with ratchetness. Pedal to the metal, gun loaded like it's the apocalypse. Ain't nobody honestly dropping.
What I hadn't done is I had this bolt lock, and it's all protected from the weather and whatnot, but it just uses your truck key, just like so. Connect it right back in here. Alright, and then cover the end back up, protect it from the weather, and it's not much, but it's something, keeps it kind of locked down on top of those. So yeah, that's how I secured those, and we'll be doing another mod to these in another video as far as improving, because eventually over a while these little raised bumps, they will wear down, but that's okay because we have a mod that we could do to fix that. Anyways, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna dry off because I am freaking soaking wet. And you have yourself a good day. like, subscribe, click the little bell in the corner for notifications. We'll see you on the next video.
Drive your shit in full load. No trespass unless you like dodging that brass ball.